Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurizzah Liyana binti Mahmad Hizani. I am a final year student from School of Physics, majoring in medical physics. Do you have any idea what is infrared thermography? No? Let me tell you about it. Let's go. Infrared thermography is a method of using thermal imager to detect radiation from an object. This method is commonly used for predictive maintenance and condition monitoring. There are two main functions of this method. First is to confirm that machine is running normally, and second is to detect any abnormalities in heat patterns within machine indicating defects and inefficiency. There are two common techniques of the infrared thermography testing. There is active thermography and there is also passive thermography. Active thermography is a technique that requires an external energy source to create temperature variances in the component which are influenced by interior materials and defects. Meanwhile, passive thermography is a technique involving gathering data without an external energy source or taking the machine offline. There are three types of infrared thermometer. One of them is spot infrared thermometer. Are you familiar with this infrared thermometer? Of course, yes. This infrared thermometer is commonly used to detect body temperature, and it is widely used now in this current situation of the pandemic COVID-19 for body screening. Another infrared thermometer is infrared scanner system, which is commonly used in airport. And the infrared thermometer that I'm going to focus in this video is infrared thermal imaging camera. In this video, I'm going to talk about the infrared thermography on electrical malfunction inspection in factory. How does thermal imaging camera in infrared thermography work? Thermal imaging camera work based on principle that any object above absolute zero give off thermal infrared energy. And this thermal imaging camera detects temperature by recognizing and capturing different levels of infrared light. Infrared light is invisible to human naked eye, but it can be felt as heat if the intensity is high enough. So, all objects emit some kind of infrared radiation, and it is one of the ways that heat is transferred. The hotter an object is, the more infrared radiation it produces. So, basically, this thermal imaging camera can see this radiation and convert it into an image that can be seen by human naked eye. These images of the detected temperature distribution are called thermograms. Thermograms consist more than one colors, and each color indicate different condition. Brighter colors such as red, yellow, and orange indicate warmer temperature. Meanwhile, the purples and dark blue or black indicate cooler temperature. On the other hand, a brighter yellow area indicate the electrical fault. From this video, we can quickly detect where the hotspot is. In the thermograms, we can see a brighter yellow area which indicate the hotspot, which means the temperature is very high and defects might occur in the electrical system if it not gets fixed quickly. Now, let's proceed to the benefits of the infrared thermography on electrical malfunction inspection in factory. Let's go. One of the advantages is the infrared thermal imaging camera requires no contact with component or machine. It is because it is capable to convert the radiation into an image that can be seen by human naked eye. Other than that, the infrared thermal imaging camera also offers a great mobility because it is small, so it can be brought and used anywhere. Then, the thermal imaging camera used in infrared thermography also produce easy to read visual images. The images called thermograms display different colors which is indicate different conditions. Even infrared thermography has so many advantages, it's always a good idea to be aware of the disadvantages. One of the disadvantages of using infrared thermography is the equipment is fairly expensive. It is because we have to consider all the cost of the time and the labor involved. Other than that, infrared technology cannot detect temperature if a component is separated by a non-transparent material such as a glass cover. When viewed with infrared thermal imager, the glass cover appeared in a non-transparent way. In a conclusion, infrared thermography is recommended in almost all industry. It is a valuable tool for predictive maintenance and condition monitoring. It allows us to detect thermal abnormalities within machine in a non-intrusive way while still getting the result in real time.